Discord authentication typically uses email and password credentials. However, it is possible to log in using an authentication token, which is a unique identifier stored by the browser after a successful login. This tutorial explains how to extract a token from an active Discord session and use it to log in. Note that using tokens in this manner may violate Discord's terms of service. Step 1. Copy a token from an active session. Open a web browser and navigate to the Discord website. Ensure you are signed into the account from which you want to copy the token. Click the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select More Tools, then click Developer Tools. A panel will open on the right side of the screen. Inside the Developer Tools panel, click the small arrow icon, then select Application from the menu. On the left side, under the Storage section, click Local Storage. Then click the entry for Discord.com. A list of key value pairs stored by Discord will appear. Scroll through the list until you find a field labeled Token. Click the value next to Token and press CTRL plus C or CMD plus C on Mac to copy it. Step 2. Log in using the copied token. Return to the Discord login page. If you are logged out, proceed to the next step. Open Developer Tools again using the same method. Navigate back to Application, then Local Storage, then Discord.com. Scroll to the bottom of the key value list where an empty row will appear. In the key column, type token. In the value column, paste the copied token by pressing CTRL plus V or CMD plus V on Mac. Press CTRL plus R or CMD plus R to refresh the page. Discord will log in using the provided token. Limitation: this method is sometimes used for account recovery or automation purposes, but it carries significant risks. Tokens act as full access credentials. If a token is exposed to another person, that person can access the account without needing a password or two-factor authentication. Discord's terms of service prohibit unauthorized token use, and doing so may result in account suspension. Conclusion: logging into Discord with a token involves copying the token from an active session's local storage and manually inserting it into the storage of a logged-out session. While technically possible, this approach bypasses standard authentication and poses security and compliance risks. Users should exercise caution and understand the potential consequences before proceeding.